sir.
Yes.
Now, Bache, today we will be completing this parallelograms part. Okay, kinds of quadrilateral. And today also, and today itself, Bache, we'll be completing. We'll be starting with most probably with some special parallelogram. That is easy topic. So by the next class, we'll be completing this chapter, understanding quadrilaterals. Okay. So first of all, to make you revise, what was a parallelogram? Which a parallelogram was a quadrilateral in which the opposite sides were equal and parallel. So this and this side are equal, this and this side are equal, and the opposites are also parallel. Okay. So first of all, this was the one property. Another property was the opposite angles were equal and adjacent angles were 180. So if I name this as angle 1, 2, and 3, so angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because opposite angles are equal, and angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 because adjacent angles are supplementary. This we have studied in parallelograms. One more thing which we have studied in parallelograms is that we have the diagonals of a parallelogram. So the diagonals of a parallelogram are not equal, but they are bisectors. Bisectors means they cut each other in half. If let's say if this total is, let's say, 8 centimeter, so this is 4, so this is 4 centimeter. And if this is, let's say, 6 centimeter, this diagonal is, let's say, this is 6 centimeter, so this would be 3 centimeter and this would be 3 centimeter. Basically they cut each other in half. Okay, this is what we have studied in the previous classes. Now based on this, now I want you to see, I want you to try this question 8 part 1. This is a parallelogram, so you have to find the values of x and y. Okay sir, try it out. You all have 5 minutes to try this one. 4 to 5 minutes to try this one. Try this out. Draw this parallelogram in your notebook and then try this out. Are you doing it, all of you? This is a parallelogram, so I'll give you a hint. I'll give you a hint. Opposite sides are equal. Okay, okay, you have written correct. Correct. Okay. Tell me the value of y now. Correct. Y is also correct. Okay. Others, what's the update? Do you need a minute or shall we discuss this? Priyanka, Manisha, Aman?
Sir, we can discuss.
Okay. See, Sumail has also written. Yes, Priyanka? Correct. X is correct. Yes, correct. Okay. So for Manisha and Aman, please focus here. This is a quadrilateral like this. This is 26, 18, 26, 18, 3x and 3y minus 1. Right? So since opposite sides are equal, so bache, this side is equal to this side. This means that 3x is equal to 18. Okay. So now from here we'll find out x, that is x is equal to 18 by 6. So therefore, oh sorry, 3. 18 by 3 because 3 would go down. So therefore x is equal to 6. Okay. Now this side is also equal to this side. 26 is equal to 3y minus y 1. So 3y minus 1 is equal to 26 because opposite sides are equal. Now we just have to solve this. So 3y is equal to 26 plus 1. So 3y is therefore equal to 27 and y is equal to 27 by 3. That is 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. So y is coming as 9. So x was 6 and y was 9. Is this clear? Vinisha and Aman?
Yes, sir.
Aman, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, note this down, please. Till then, you can draw this one once. But see, this is the question. You have to find out the value of x and y. Okay. I hope the figure is clear from here. You can have a look at here also. So x plus y is this one, 16 is this one, 20 is this one, 5 plus 7 is this one. Okay, so this means, so now please try it down. Once you have written this, please try it down. And Abubakar and Priyanka, you can directly try it down. Are you doing it or not? Abu Bakar? Hmm? Yes, Priyanka. Not able to do it? Fine, I'll take it. But see, this is a diagonal. I just taught you that diagonals are not equal, but they are bisectors. Bisectors means that this part would be equal to this part, right? So we know that so from here we can get that x plus y is equal to 16 because the one diagonal cuts other in half. So x plus y is equal to 16. X plus y tha. Okay. And from here we get that 20 is equal to y plus 7 because here also diagonal is being cut. So another one is 20 is equal to y plus 7. Can we find out the value of y from here? So find out the value of y from here. So y is therefore equal to 20 minus 7. 7 minus 7. So y is therefore equal to 13. Okay. So we got y as 13. Now we got 13. Now put this y in this x plus y. So x plus y. Y was 13. So putting 13 instead of y. That is equal to 16. So x is therefore equal to 16 minus 30. So x is therefore equal to 3. So y we got 13 and x is equal to 3. Is this clear? How did I do this? The
Yes,
diagonals
sir.
cut each the diagonals cut each other in half. Minisha, is this clear? Abu Bakr, is this clear? Aman, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please note this down. Have you written this?
Yes, sir.
It should take 5 minutes. Try this one. Question number 9. This is there are two parallelograms. Read it. There are two parallelograms in this risk and clue. Okay, based on that, try this question. Let's see who does this. You have to find out the value of x. This is a tricky question, and 90% chances are there that this question might come in your exam. Okay, so I want you to try it, then I'll be taking it from. and don't just look at the question. Move your hands, at least draw the figure. Don't just stare at the question, at least draw the figure. Drawing the figure will clear out half of your. Are you guys done?
Sir, can you wait for a minute?
Sure, sure.
I'm doing
Okay. You are getting two answers. So, yes, Priyanka. Yes, it is. The first one you wrote. Yes, it is. Okay, see. Actually, this is a tricky question, yes. But uh, if you draw this, now, then half of it would be solved. See, if I draw this properly, first of all, make the parallelogram risk. Okay, make the parallelogram risk and make the parallelogram clue. Make the parallelogram clue like this. Now, what were you all focusing on? And join this. Now I'll tell you what were you all focusing on. You all were focusing on this. इससे आंसर नहीं आएगा. This is also a quadrilateral, yes, but this is a trapezium. Okay, इससे आंसर नहीं आएगा. What we'll get the answer from is looking at the two different parallelograms. Okay, so now we have two different parallelograms. This one is risk, RISK, and this one is clue, CLUE. Okay, now they are asking for this one, that is X. This one is X. Okay, so let's go highlight. This one is, that is X. They are asking for X. Okay. Now see, they are saying that this, they have given that this angle is 120 degree and this angle is 70 degrees. Okay. Now abhi ke liye focus on this one. Abhi ke liye I would say focus on this triangle or this parallelogram clue. Okay. Just focus on this one. This is a parallelogram. So since opposite angles are equal, so this means that this angle is 70 degree, right? First of all, is this clear, all of you? That this angle,
Yes, sir.
this angle, which is this one, is 70 degrees. Okay. Now I want you to focus on now this one. Now focus on this parallelogram. But in this parallelogram, we will find this angle. We will find this angle. This one. This one. This one. See. We will find this angle. Mark it from different color. Let's say take it blue. I'll find out this angle. This one, this one should be 60 degrees because they are adjacent. In this 120 plus this angle, 120 plus this angle, 120 plus this angle, angle S, let's say angle S is equal to 180 because supplementary adjacent angles. So angle S would be equal to 180 minus 120 degree, that is 60 degree. So but this is 60 degree. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see. So now I'll tell you what was thing happening here. We got this angle, this one, as 70 degree, and we got this angle, but this angle that is 60 degree. Okay, now see, this is a triangle being formed. This is a triangle being formed. So we know angles and property says that sum of all the angles in a triangle is 180 degree. So from here I can say that angle X plus 70 plus 60, which is, this is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so now x plus 170 plus 60 is 130. So x plus 130 is equal to 180. So what from here, x is coming out to be 180 minus 130. That is x is equal to 50 degrees. So I hope this is clear to you that how did we find out x? Okay, so I'm
Yes,
gonna
sir.
write some more things. Okay, I'm gonna write some more things because how to write this in answer exam. See, so like write in parallelogram. You have to write everything properly, not just how I do it here. Okay, in parallelogram, um, risk angle. See, this angle RKS, angle SKR or RKS plus angle KSI. This KSI, angle KSI is equal to 180 degrees, and here you have to write in the bracket reason that is adjacent angles in a parallelogram are supplementary. Okay, so angle KSI. Now, so from here angle SKR, that was 120, so 120 plus angle KSI is therefore equal to 120. So angle KSI is coming, bache, 180 minus 120, that is 160 degrees. So angle KSI is equal to 60 degree. Okay, now talking about in parallelogram, clue. Clue. Just a minute. So in parallelogram clue, which is angle CLU plus angle CEU. CEU is equal to, oh sorry, they are equal because opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Okay, so angle CLU, so therefore they are both equal to 70 degrees. Okay, now see in triangle CSE. Now see in triangle CSE, angle X, or you can write angle ES, angle X plus X plus angle CS, CES plus angle CSE plus angle CSE is equal to 180. You have to write in the bracket reason angles and property. Okay, every question you have to write this like this in exam. That then only you will get full marks. Angles and property. Okay. So now write x plus this was 70 plus this was 60 is equal to 180. So now I explained it to you. X plus 130 is equal to 180. So x is equal to 50 degrees. Is this clear? Is this clear, all of you? How to do this question?
Yes, sir.
Please note this down.
Yes, sir.
This is one of the most important questions. So please note this down carefully. If any doubts are there, please ask me. Are all of you done writing this? Vinisha, Priyanka, Mana,
Yes, sir.
Vinisha and Priyanka, are you done?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now I'll tell you question number 10. Okay. See, they are saying explain how this figure is a trapezium. Which of its two sides are parallel? Okay. They have given figure 3.26. And they're asking us to explain how is this a trapezium. So, does any of you remember what was a trapezium? किसी को याद है trapezium? None of you remembers it. See, which a trapezium was a trapezium. Achha, scroll through your notes, everyone. Back through your notes. Tell me what was the definition of trapezium. Come on, do it. Which a trapezium was a quadrilateral. Trapezium, quadrilateral, quadrilateral in which there is one pair of parallel sides. There is one pair of parallel sides. Quadrilateral in which there is one pair of parallel sides. Okay. So now we have to prove that this is a trapezium. How are we going to prove this? See. We can see that angle NML, angle MNML, or let's say angle LMN, angle LMN, angle LMN plus angle KLM plus angle KLM. Okay, what's that? But this is 100 degrees plus this is 80. So but this is coming out to be equal to 180 degrees. Okay, see, angle LMN was 100, angle KLM, this one was 80, this one. Okay, so if you add them, this is coming 180 degrees. Okay, so now we are gonna write since, this is the like we write therefore like this, and we write since like this. Okay, so since since the adjacent angles are supplementary, since adjacent angles are supplementary, they act like they are co-interior angles. They are co-interior angles. Therefore, Mn is parallel to KL is parallel to Mn. Therefore, KL is parallel to Mn, where Lm acts as a transversal. Where Lm acts as the transversal. Okay, so like it's reverse. Like parallel hoti thi, it used to be parallel, so we used to call them co-interior. Now they are co-interior, so by this we are proving that they are parallel. Is this clear? How are we going to prove them that they are parallel? Is this clear, guys, or any doubts?
Sir, it's clear. No, sir.
Okay. Now since one pair of parallel side, now we are going to write since there is one pair of parallel sides, therefore KLMN is a trapezium. Okay, so for a trapezium, what do we need to prove? We need to prove that there is a one pair of parallel sides. Okay, how we did that? because 100 plus 80 is becoming 180, so we can write that they are co-interior angles. And when they are co-interior angles, kaha hote hain? Where are they? They are only in parallel lines. So by this KL, by this now KL is parallel to MN. Okay, so and LM acts as a transversal, so they are parallel lines. Since one pair of uh, parallel sides is there, therefore KLMN is a trapezium. Is this clear to all of you? Vinisha, Priyanka, Aman, Abu Bakar?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Please note this down. This is question number 10. Question 10 of exercise, whatever it is. अरे पानी दे. When you are done writing this one, just let me know. Yes, Priyanka. You can't see the screen. Wait, I'll reshare it again. This issue has happened when a student leaves and joins. Yeah. It's okay. Now can you see Priyanka?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So can you zoom a little also?
When you be done writing this much, ask me to scroll it down. Should I scroll it down now? Have you done this much?
Yes.
Abu Bakar?
Yes.
Write this, then I'll let me move on. Have you written this much? Can we move on now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now they are saying in this figure 3.7, you have to find out. Figure 3.7, you have to find out a measure of angle C. Can any of you tell me how would we do that? Angle C. How are we going to find angle C in this figure?
Sir, 180 minus 120.
Yes, because this is a trapezium, bache. AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC. So this is a trapezium, so they are co-interior angles. So 120 plus angle C is equal to 180. So angle C is therefore equal to 180 minus 120. So angle C is equal to 60 degree. Is this clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Manisha and Abu Bakar, is this clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now the last one. I'm writing in red this one. They are saying find the measure of angle P and S if SP is parallel to QR. Okay, RQ. So, but this is parallel, this is given 180, this is given 90. Okay, so now if this is parallel, so but these are adjacent angles. This is not a parallelogram. This is a trapezium. I'm repeating again. Okay, so now see angle R and angle S. But angle R plus angle S. I'll write it down. I'm writing it here. And angle R plus angle S is equal to 180 because again co-interior angles, they are parallel sides, so co-interior angles. So angle R is 90, so plus angle S plus S is equal to 180. So which angle S is also 180 minus 90, that is 90 degrees. Okay, and angle P, which angle Q plus angle P is equal to 180, again co-interior angle, same reason. So angle Q is 130, so 130 plus angle P is equal to 180. So angle P is equal to 180 minus 130. So angle P is coming as 50 degrees. Is this clear? How are we going to do both of them? Easy?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please note this down. And once you have written this down,
Yes, sir.
then we'll be ending this class. Abubakar, you have to stay for others can leave after this. Manisha and Priyanka. Okay.
So what?
Uh, Once you have written this, Priyanka and Manisha, you can leave.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Abubakar, you please stay. Once you have written this, just let me know. Abubakar, you please stay.
Sir, how long is gonna be the extra class?
But 1 hour. Is it fine with you or not?
Yes, sir, it is fine.
What?
Sir, it is fine.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay, Priyanka. I'll see you in the next class. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye. Abubakar, are you done writing this, bacha?